Here we created 5 pages: home, about us, menu, daily offers, and orders. These pages are self-explaining. So the software and hardware that we used in this PPT, in this creating website, are Notepad, Visual Studio Code, Bootstrap, and Windows 11. The hardware, a laptop with processor i7 and i5, RAM 16 GB. The minimum requirements that we need to open this website: a, a laptop capable of Chrome, if it's a Mac OS, Safari.
So this is our website that we have created, and this is our logo here, and we have the bestsellers. So here we have used the anchor tag to link all the web pages about us, menu, daily offers, and orders. L'espresso Petit is our coffee shop name, and below that is our slogan. And we have included some of the images below. We have included some of the images below the main image. So this is the below the images. These are the other things. We have given the star rating, and here we have given the basic market help, community, and about us. And here we have given our Instagram link, Facebook, and Twitter. Then the next is about us page. We have given a basic about us, how we have been formed the community, and some of the images we have been uploaded together. So this is our menu page. We have given the menus that are available every day, mostly, and we have given the code for each of the menu. So here in the daily offers page, you will get the composites of all the menus which are available from as day to day.
And now we move to the orders page. The purpose of this order page is to get the email ID and information of the customer, is a membership, if he has membership or not, and the credit card details. So the customer can view the menu and or daily offers in his home and order it at home and receive it in the shop. This reduces the time the customer had to spend in the shop. Now we came to the end of our PPT. While creating this website, we use several references, few of which Geek for Geeks, WT Schools, and several YouTube videos. We use these references to create buttons in Bootstrap, create various borders, background images, and text alignment. So now let's move to live demonstration of the website.
So this is a website which we have been created. This is the main website, and this is the about us page. We have included some of the images here. The menu page. This is the daily office, and this is the order page. Thank you.